In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar event in Gmail. We'll walk through two simple ways: creating an event straight from Gmail while composing a message, and creating one directly in Google Calendar. Follow along, and I'll point out a few tips to keep everything accurate and easy to manage. Start by signing in to Gmail on your computer. If your left sidebar is collapsed, click the three horizontal lines to expand it so everything is visible. Now click Compose to open a new email. In the Compose window, open the More Options menu by clicking the three dots. Hover over the option that lets you set up a time to meet. Then choose Create an Event. This opens a calendar event form connected to your Gmail. Give your event a clear title so it's easy to recognize later. Next, set the date. Click the Date field, pick the correct month and day, and confirm. Choose your start time, then your end time, making sure the duration is what you expect. If you're meeting across regions, click Time Zone, open the drop-down arrow to see the options, select your preferred time zone, and click OK to apply it. To invite people, click Add Guests and type their email addresses. You can add multiple guests. Just keep typing and selecting each address. If you see a small clock or time icon, use it to review or fine-tune your time settings. Add details by clicking Add Description. Then type anything helpful: an agenda, a location, or preparation notes, so attendees know what to expect. When everything looks good, click Save. A prompt will appear asking if you want to send invitation emails. Choose Send so your guests receive the invite and can RSVP. Close the event window when you're done. To confirm it was added, open the calendar icon on the right side of Gmail, expand it with the arrow, and review the event details there. Now for the second way, directly in Google Calendar. Click the calendar icon again and expand it. Then open Calendar and click Create. Choose Event. Enter the event name, then set the start and end times. Click Time Zone to ensure it matches where the meeting will take place. Choose the correct one and confirm with OK. Add your guests by typing their email addresses. You can add as many as you need. Click Save, and when the prompt appears, click Send to deliver the invitations. And that's it. Two reliable ways to create a calendar event in Gmail, either from an email you're composing or right inside Google Calendar.